how to change IP address on Windows 11. So in order to change your IP address, the first thing that you need to do is to go to command prompt. Just go to your Windows and search command prompt. From there, run the command prompt as administrator. After that, type CLS. Go to IP current field, and from here you would be able to find your IP address. In order to change it, go to settings again. Open network and sharing, or just go to view network connections. From there, go to your internet connection. Go to properties. Go to Internet Protocol version 4. Open up properties and tap on use the following IP address. And after that, you just need to follow the screen. And after that, click on OK. And here type IP config again and hit enter. And in this way, you can change IP address on Windows 11. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.